Hey y'all, it's Kia. Hey, welcome back. If you're new around here, hello. So, originally I wanted to say more stuff about this Panama Canal trip that I went to. Unfortunately, I did not have any good shots of Panama Canal. It was a lot of shaky camera work, and I just didn't get any good clips. So, but I can tell you about it. So in this trip, I saw the famous Panama Canal, and I learned why it was really important to everybody. It's actually a shortcut between the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. Over 100 years old. Construction also cost over 25,000 lives. What I mean is that workers had to deal with heat, jungles, swamps, and all the creatures in them, including rats that carried bubonic plague, plus mosquito-borne diseases like yellow fever and malaria. Over 20,000 workers died during the French building efforts. Panama Canal also makes bank with all of its tours and shipments, over $2 billion worth in tolls. Fun fact, it's also considered one of the man-made wonders of the world. Now on to the good stuff, day 5. I did so much more. Beach day, day 5. From Panama City, we went to Colón and went to one of their famous ports that often protected itself from pirates. Pirates who wanted to pillage and plunder and bury their booty. Aye, aye, Mr. Squidward. This is Portobello. We're sitting on the port part. Our tour guide, Daya, she says, and I'll leave her information down below. She's a great travel agent, but she said that this is kind of one of those places that used to protect them with the cannons and all of that. So, yay! After the port, we stopped by a church that was known for having a black Jesus there. Story is that they wanted to carry the black Jesus to Spain, but every time they tried, that sculpture would fall into the ocean and would always end up back in Colón. So they left this sculpture of black Jesus inside of this place. So I didn't notice there were 3 stages that Jesus had went through that they represented here. So this one was when Jesus carried the cross, when he was crucified, and then when they buried him in the tomb before his resurrection. That's amazing. And then you have the Marys and John who were there at Jesus' crucifixion. Yeah. Wow.
They can't touch this one by law.
Okay, so this was the original church, and by law they cannot tear this one down. So what they did was rebuild a church here, which is the one we saw with the Jesus representation. So this in my hand is called noni. It's supposed to help with your blood. And we picked it from that tree by the church. So apparently in the States we have this too, but of course, you know, we're gonna pay for it. But here we can just pick it off the tree. And I'm taking some home. My noni. We're about to get on the boat to go across the island. We're getting on that boat over there. Let me show you the island. We're gonna go all the way over there, and over there, we're gonna go all the way over there, and so that's where we're gonna go swimming and like just enjoy the beach. We had an option of a tour, but now we just want to chill and swim. Just want to chill and swim, so yay! And I think I'll film on my water camera and then keep my phone safe. See you later. Made it to the beach. Daya, what's the name of this beach? Isla Grande. Okay, so to me, this is cold, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm living. You can handle it. You can handle it, right? I can handle it. Let's do it. Panama! Yes. Look at the money. This is $2.50. You learn fast. I love you. Gracias.
You finished all yours?
Wow. That's different.
In there. Yeah, you gotta drink it. I'm gonna bust it open. Oh, I want to eat the
That's
inside.
good. Yeah. I'm on the beach in a hammock. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is bougie-rific. How I want to say that? I don't know, but I love this. This is great.
By this point, I was so tired, I ended up taking a nap. It was so peaceful.
Hey, so I just realized I did not have anything to show you all, but it's okay. After we came from the beach, we were exhausted, and we most likely ate something we're always eating on this trip. It was so good, all the food there. But yeah, hopefully you watched to the end, and if I didn't show you something, or if you wanted to know more of something, let me know down in the comments. Let's have a chat back and forth. Let me know what you think about the trip. And if you like this video, be sure to like this video. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Follow me on TikTok, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.